Genesis chapter 6 verse 1 say ba ho ne be hu say nipa fi ase do so asase so na che no one na no nipa sha ase so mo do so sa na ye brace so nipa do so anya wa ma say boss miss here can you say South Africa here political parties in 500 still counting e dey anko na mo pe dey pa ko ni bi so ata China anko na 1.2 billion nti nipa do so pa ai ha me say KJT 18 ho enkofa ho okay it's no we no one na nipa do so sana yes brain so nipa do so na no one na dia ba ko so course we Genesis chapter 7 verse 3 say radical say me hu yin tani to mun ko say nti one na ni nti o head you no ti hu say no one na nya meti nipa na so nipa ni nche David that is in the time na ni pet minya 900 600 700 but nya make say what 10 na no so ti so nti no ya brace so no enche kura obi timi wu na 20 years 19 years 15 years 16 years 20 years 30 years 35 40 say akwa ko do 56 you wisa nti timi say eye pet atensi ya sabe hu say no one na no Bible say na abrani akese wa asase ne so aha abrani akese ya ka abrani a obi a oye superhuman na hoodin buru nipa ba akwa hoodin so na me catch you say na wo hwe ye brace wa obi ti say wo ko WWE a obi mu say wrestling world na there are mighty men a obi won mu a say Brock Lesnar no mo gina wa ono obi timi akon na ajimu ye nipa bi ye nsia nti on sheda nti wo mu fe the beast nti ye brace there are mighty people a wo mu ho nti tumi de tutume wa nan wo tuke the same na no one nan de san course no say Bible say nyankopon ma ni nipa ma edi ayeware and me catch you say nyame ma na edi ani nipa ma edi ayeware ne ye was two school of thought number one school of thought to say one school of thought to say nyame ma ne ye atenefo eye self asefo na no musuro nyame no wo ne kin asefo na insuro nyame di ayeware na me catch you say enam say a higher public intine me gidi because just me gidi na sa na ko se brete say Kristo fodo do na wali wi asefo enimidenti Kristo ni bia wali ni po ye gidi ni abrotire Kristo ni bia wali obi onim Yesu da ento sha ene Kristo fo mmemo ani di wi asefo ma ya na chi ina Kristo fo ma ya na san di wi asefo mmemo ani chi ye di ayeware and another school of thought Genesis chapter 6 verse 4 no mo kire say nyame ma ni nipa ma beda no wo hwe Hebrew word na wo ho no a nyame ma no a o use Nephilim NEPHLIMS also Nephilim kire obi a on say da nye normal human being okay dey be say abofo and the die ni nyame ma no beda na me ka say school of thought no me gidi okay the drama culture say obi ka ada wo do gini ni na do me say ha ye nti wo say me ka say me gini ni adi I am not a doctrinal preacher, therefore I stand between the two. Okay. Mejobi out today. Okay. Sir, above for any nyame mabeda ye no am say me nso me gidi no. And also me person me say it is true biblically ankasa. Number 1, I was all channels now who say even the accounts of Genesis chapter 19 na Bible say above for do Sodom no. Lot ma wo mu be betina mo mu didi. Now we are angels from didi. Am a kromo for ba say wo mu ne wo mu ba beda. The question is na can above for ne nya above for wo mu firi nyame anka wo nya sure say wo mu ne kromo for beda. Nkebesi. And na two kromo for no ba say wo mu ne sa above for ne ba beda. E wo so hu say spirit bi na e move wo mo. It is spirit be na na ati wo mu mo na e pe be ma to ne na ada. E wo say ni nyina o hwe na hu say it may be so say and I brace so chance wa obi timi da o se hunhun bi ne ma ba beda obi ka so hunhun bi ne ma ba beda obi timi so da na dan kyam ne da obi won ma kraman obi won ma nipa ohun nipa nanim sa anya ma we asofo bebre ye ho programs say spiritual marriage because they are ka say sa de na biblical say anase nya no kra e na spiritual marriage na nkrofo nya no wo mo bo anase dey be so nya na anse say ya de esi say school of church na ntimi say ye brace no the course will know what brace no ye brace say na course say demons it may manifest in dream any nipa ma eda say there no what brace no e see physical na e binom say wo mu gidi no ha no so me catch and then me catch say asem we who question bia opa conference na sisia ya chere de you ni bisa na public ya ba ma public proof ni ya me di video sir me real film ho dia me di video a proof say Netflix were real ya wo ho o adibo awunsia no rekire no bi kan ho asema si da wonum wo ha tell me ka say two school of thought ni na me di yes in the friend to bo wana ni na isibiri so gina bi so ha anti mesraw I stand to be corrected person me try say e bi ana uchimu se anya no kra na enye na wo so obisa mesraw eni die mu a na obisa ye nso so wo so kra after Genesis chapter 6 na na so say ka tro Bible says people born the doors of assassination and then the imagination of men were evil continuously. It means not there wasn't even a day and nipa nyene born. That the year brace air caution. The Bible says we do minu so ye nipa. And I know I'm a catcher say cast nyankopon minu hu anya say nyame nim die besi. Na mo say Bible cast it repented God at say nyame eteki decision so obese saniama. Okay. Ha nyame ka say manu mi say me dey so sin hin no nche say no nim say so obedi nkwase ase. No nim na mom ebredu say utunu no di David eba. Ti nyame ka say onunu hu a chere say ebredu say oye ensesanye. Into the word nyame nunu so oye nipa no chere say no wa brothers nyame bontin po so obese san biribi. Sa na ye bredu so nyame nunu hu chere say nyame bontin po so de ensesanye bi eba. Ti san sesanye nyame ye odoma second June ye be come into more details. Am ye hunu so bi your person who says here we are in the our world is in between two things. And na nyame yoduma you don't know. And the Bible say Noah do nya dum wo nyame yin. Like say enye Noah me pa cheshe ne say enye Noah bibi oye ye ne na mom nyankopon anim adum bi na nya ye. And so fatu utrimo pa. Nti so sha Noah nano na de tutu ye brace so Yesu ka say nipa ba ne nemu a utumu say de akoso nyina ye the same. Inti we chira say nche na wura di Yesu abeden obeba eno na ye wiye no me ka chira say so de ba ya enye mebu ono ma ye betima afi afi nti Yesu ka say de no wana no ye no sa no nipa ba ne nan so be den ebeye nti say de no wana no ye no sa no nipa ba ne na be Yesu kika nse mebre o wiye no sa be ka say na sa de ye Lord nanimu no sa nso na be ye onipa ba no nle nti na the person you share Lord na dia course the say your Lord na dia course na ya de batoto ye breso ye onipa ba ye ka onipa ba na ye generation Yesu enche Yesu betumi aba se am na okazi obetumi aba ne ya because the name kika kono obetumi aba ne ya nti na me pese ye share eno so nti say ye pese ye hu dia course Lord breso I was saying no so ye ko he ade e wo Genesis na ansa me be share Lord na de course no me pese ye di kan share asemi ni nkotu but me ma no ka o ba share Lord ye Abraham ne wo faase se so ni nyina fi abushia na Lord ene Abraham nyina na nyame ehira wo mu na na Bible so wo ma hunyade enko asase a wo mu nyina ate so no so nti man tokwa ba Lord mo ahwefo ne Abraham mo ahwefo ntem the Lord Abraham ti ene no ka che Abraham I Lord say uye minia uye mimoja en say yakun asase soso nti yibia bia wo pe ofa benkum am befa nifa ofa nifa am befa benkum Bible say Lord teja nani na otu nani hwe asase no hu se baabi wo no mo a nsuo wo ho nyobayan mo abetime bia ye kama wo ho na Bible so wo hwe sa area na na ti say Eden too ena Lord ka say ehona mepe ofa be dia ho ye no nti a Lord ka say ope ho no wa na Abraham say eni de aka no me mefa ena Abraham so be wo no ho akoya akwawe so ni madi nkoyi nti Lord ya kan Lord breso a na je Lord you obi a de bia no bia obi a ya ekoyi ma no kwanwa di obi a ya ekoyi ma no oya obi ababa age no se wo wa ya ade se ya ne ye no ena obeteki na mom hunu nyansa se wo se mi bisa nyankopon se he ne menya den searching free ya bresin so sa na ekoso ya bresin sa na ekoso ene no di obi a ye bia eboa no obi a siso o pese no abi na oye so obi njimi nka se o ma mi misa mi nyankopon se de na menye oye politician na di obi ye no ena onu su ye bi oye musician na di obi ye no ena onu su ye bi oye software di obi ye no ena onu su be le kaza me say Lord was someone who feared God, yet not only discerning of spirits who say aha I come and answer na miti. As I said, the American say we on more. Say American we ni penny bi na nam. Wo hwe ne ka owo ne dan owo ne ne maybe owo na wukotu di mechi. Ba wuko mu na wakohu say enye kra. Say wakoka ho. Wo wuntumi nsa wechi ma sa na ye lot. Sa de na course lot bre so yansi ebre so. Sa na course. Tutum sa afuna yes kan ye no kra. Afi ye mara Genesis chapter 19. Na abofo ba ni no duru Sodom anyumre. Sesi ame no ka se ade asan wi afi.
Okay.
Wi afi esum. Kina Bible se muni wi afi han. Se yesi ka se muni wi afi han o person kire se esum duru wi afi. Enti the word abofo no duru Sodom anyumre no kire se onipa ba ne nemu no. De ba me hu se nche Yesu ba ba ne se esum be duru wi afi.
No se fe.
Ene wi afi ba bia afi. Boni akata wi afi so ama sesi there is no place on this earth. Eye bede ye beka ahadi haye Israel say ni da wo mse so me nyame man ro ko ho ame na da anu odin papa
na koso
anu odin pa o se na lot ti Sodom kropono na no na lot hunu wo no o so ko hia wo no de ni butu fam ka se now ebra abofo ni di Sodom na lot ti Sodom kropono ano obi a o tie mi a wa ye hermeneutics nim se in hermeneutics ye play ayi bi history ni tell say we share Bible tell that was say o share sa bre no bia na ekofo sa bre no na eno na ba ma wate enyeme bia se nti historically no adentro na lot ti group no ano
nko
tete no in the olden days me pese me kesa lot bre so Abraham no na Isaac no ne lot bre so ba no sa bre no Krobia na kronu mu mpanimfo ana na wo motena kronu pona no
okay
mama two biblical examples Genesis chapter 18 Ewrade yin ho kira Abraham o mamre prom na ofene ntoma dan pona no ewiakete aha wo so na Abraham na busia no na ye ebusia niti
okay
na nso ewiabre na waba betena epona no die ntra wo motena pona no kronu mu mpanimfo na betena pona no obetena pona no na ohwe de ekoso wo kronum sabe be ya in case say asembisi a obehuni neka ye de asam ne bre no a mama another biblical example Ruth chapter 4 Ose na Boaz ko kropono na no kotena ho
okay
na hwe na abusiam gifo a Boaz bo ni di ni witwem no ka che ne se asumesi mane bara ha betena ha no mane betena ase na freko no mpenimfo mu Dubai no ka sa montana ha no watena ase obawo se na in the olden days no mpenimfo no wo mo bi do on be discuss wo krono pona no it is historically no me pese mama tia say lot ko Sodom obi osuro nyame no Oni Sodom for be ye free to an extent say ye mani be ye penny wo kronum. Lot ba be ye penny wo kronum. Nti afei yamfa mra Yesu bre so. O say ye bre so no. Asofo bebre de wo ho abo politicians. Asofo bebre de wo abo hemfo. Ejidi fo bebre de wo abo highly authorities ama wo ma be nya dibre ni tunu wa aban mu. Ama wo ka asem a I am not saying sir aye evil say nipa ne be ben
Debi
ba pata me say sesi ano yani aye wi aseni da so ye agidifo no eduru pampanso bi say ye Christian the children of God no ya ba be ye mpinimfo we ase say we no longer care about spiritual matters again ye mo ya ba be bi say ye ni wi asefo na bom ne ye bu man ye mfa Christo sum hu bio na pata me kire na men can say Lot went deep in sin and sin promoted him
okay
Sana pesa me kire. Sodom. Because Sodom for ya bonefo. Eya den wo mutumi su pani. Na say enya say Lot was a sinner. Na mom no because Bible say ebere Lot ti kronum no. Ohuru dia kwaso na eye ne kra ya de. But o pani say bo no mo ntumi nka.
Krum fo na jinato.
Nti ya brace no. Why you very careful now? You're dynamic man of God. Obo say him from the political leaders now. Wo mu binu mu suro nyame na ye wura baby no. Ya bounce anwa. Your bar started being a platform, one more, what can I say? Rallies, no near the idea you see, can't get to talk to Honwa. Now, they are captured and Nipan. Oh, I bet come on one crown where you need to know Jenny Numaka. Secretly, no one you're one. Secretly, or no one you're one. Because there is a deep mystery in Genesis chapter 19, as you say. Lots of penny now, and then a training and then a midnight watching, and then a me age in Abraham. Because Bible say Nanka above on the bit my saying, the baby ho. The person not says, "You're brave, so be a Christian, and one careful. The world will promote you." Yes, I am to four. Woman, a wobbly musicians, no. Woman, no man, Menga, my sister, I believe it is her. Woman, make the one skill. Woman now boom. Program no so woman and never any deep inside him or her or person or revealing Christ but rather or pedin or pesika Ghana for Ginatum if you know more about trauma Ghana for one about trauma ni dia abodi abadia o dia kekeno or battle and also na o to jom ka no church selfie yebe oni ha obi o your worshiper na wo fa na dwene na kuma nyina esi na mesu o church selfie ewo yebe o jinu ba na ma won ti ase o da so saa no ti o yin no hu dia ya kire eti the word Lord epi krono pono ano no he was a leader when no position so the Americans say, oh, who did Christians some kata when you to Obama or family man so say we Christian. She si ban pa wa wo dan na die.
We just saw them. Ma mo ni Christian.
Oh, we say Ghana ha no, obi ya Christian no account na ya jinitum. Sa na wo hu sa picture no. De America, me say mlante wa bebre aka ko gisiduru no mo de aba be wura so fudumam. Sikeduro pa na wakɔgye na sɛ nye sikeduro na waka akɔgye a kapasa ma ɔte asɛ sɛ nyɛma bi kɔ no man ka bɛyɛ wo gye sɛ ɔbɛka yɛkuma ase ha ya yɛwei yɛwɔ asɔfo bi wɔ no mo a yɛhu wɔ mo sɛ they fear God ba me se de ya meka me se heaven na yɛbɛkɔ no heaven na yɛkɔrɔ no yɛwɔ nkurɔfo bebree a yɛbɛka kɔto wɔ mo heaven na yɛnte ase yɛ sɛ wɔn ba hɔ da
na sɛ heaven nyɛ ɔde a
ɛna yɛwɔ nkurɔfo bi wɔ no mo a
yɛhu wɔ mu
heaven kwana tikwa ye hu omo ho na oba bi say yes say ya dan pa na sa akọ wa ama
omo jin kra yan kai o
yo okay now ofra kro mu okay now nti afen go back to Genesis chapter 19 nti sawati ehona sia nti o say na lot hu no no so no kwhia wo no de ni butu fam ka say mi wura no mfra mama ne mra mako afie mese anadwi na mohoro mnaase na no patututu ma so da komokwan na wose da bi obeda abantene so na wose won denden de no ma ne nche ba ni fie na oto won pono na oto epitima wodi
okay
oso oto won pono na oto epiti e ma wo mdi ye okay na wonya nkoda ne Sodom kromofo be cha dan hu hia efiri mofra so kosi mpenifo so oman mu ni nyina me pa cho hia sa word we o se kromu ni nyina efiri mofra so kosi mpenifo so ba be cha Lord hie ni hu hia na wafre Lord ka kire ne se emerema wo ba wo nche anadwi ni wo he na Lord so mo inside pa cha wo mo inside na nche ho me ana me dia show wo mo he yi won bra ye ne ye no won na kronu mu mpenifo imabunu ene nkwada aba de Charlotte fie nu echi aka Charlotte se
nipa ne bla
nipa na mema na eba ha no yi wo mo bra
ihe wo mu
ne pa cho mame oso na wonya nkwada ne Sodom krom hofo betu ada no hie firi mo fra so kwesi mpenifo so ema ene mema nyina ebetu
bia
ene mo ka Charlotte se ema ne mema ebetu akonu mu hia ene mo ka Charlotte se ema ne mema ni nyina betu akonu mu hia no mo ka Charlotte se emerema na wo mo bese wo nchen no won you want bra ni ye no wo mo na hey now the question is again na ma kromofo nyina betwa Lord if you hu hia ni nyina ne say the whole city was filled with lust nipa bi o konu mu bi akono e control no Yebre so sa na ekoso. Obia is being controlled by lust. And that the same no ka say. E ma bi ntumi nsa wo mo husu bio. Wa ware.
Yes mo.
So come ba ma foforo ne da. De hia ni se nukunu betu kwan. E ma ma bebra ware.
Ko betwe no.
De hia ni se na yere banyem. Ana obekwa akura.
Beko program bi.
Ene won say Ghana say o si kromo for mofra. O se nkwade a 9 years. 8 years, 10 years, and Quada and Maya were mumbo look for crown. Hey, a champion. I don't throw a woman champion. Or to Chromo for the child which I saw one person who also Ghana ha. Your television. Yes, I don't need TV station as a TV station back at 24/7. Me, Jamain Sam. Me, a Jamain Sam. A corner. And I want to know a man saying you new. It's where to say, no system, no say I could do pension at the foot will be about be a person of Russia.
Kosohwe.
Be a person of Russia, I don't know.
Kotiano.
At the foot will be about be a person of Russia.
Testive.
San Yebre to El Koso. Our society is filled with lust.
Okay.
Asofo binumu ntumi say akono so edifo binumu ntumi asampakafo binumu ntumi obu honomu a ka ho akono na awura no obu honomu a ema ho akono na awura no obu honomu a edansie ho akono na awura no obu honomu a ejuma ho akono na awura no ya be addicted ya kasa obi abaye the word addiction and addicted ya kasa obi abaye addicted to something ya person say ade no se wa nya ohonto. Why now won't mean that? You can't live without it.
But you know what's
I had never did the original. So a better will crack when I would about to win that idea and I would crack that for. And the first one, I addicted to it. If you need to be obeying, I did to obey you side in the floor or by our time for. That is why I'm addicted to and so we didn't so free and not willful. Or can someone you're willful? Your political leaders now, I'm addicted to sin. As someone be not addicted to sin. Your singers now be addicted to sin. It's the moment a woman at the foot for the arm and I attack to woman. Now what about I just say you stand on their way, say, oh, but you'll be all back and once and now you're doing to town crew. Okay. The Bible says, Kremu, you pay now, lost down, shall say, yeah, prefer, you know, woman, you may. Now the question is, I can man come from the Chahuisha, and man I can wait, let's say, and then I follow sodomite, bestiality, just a man, my proper woman named Mother. And some men say, I come to me, a radical fool. They say, the woman are more interested, so they want to have sex with spirits. As I said, they are a minimum couple, and a home content. So said they are not a minimum called Muroso or Dawa, not to be there in word, none and that. And to your breast, there is no difference between the days of Lord. And you are sitting here doing nothing about your Christian life, your soul. Whose soul, no, you are doing nothing about it.
Money here.
93.7.
Oh, for the Bia who you. Well, the open that idea of an hour, sorry. And the Christian weddings are no who
you are tired of wedding.
The Bible says, woman be child, Lord, plan Nanusi. Now, I was also now, we say, Lord, the car cemetery woman. Now, Lord, if you want to call upon an or to a plume one, like I said, you're on the Samamonia Bonessa. The one word I will use it. But not to sir. So, Oba. Any Obada, and a bear man, a bear mother, and your bonnet, how to never see you. Monia Bonnet, I shall my bad, there no one who are better man. Mama men for 1 free memo, now Monia one said the young when this war. Now, Madame, could your Monia one, and into our bar, Miss Fisher. So which you ask my Lord to kind of lot for what you say, make me the mere mamma, Amamo, the Muppet Yamunya won. Now some enter with the Mr. Momonia Woman, woman a ho. Woman a ho, cream, woman fear. Now woman himself, woman dabon, so moving your house, need to a barman chain. Into Monia one bonnet. Now Bible said, Sodom for casting to a lot. Now I can't say to who free ho. Now I say so ni pay by your home and after a person or your team for after your bay of money at one. Now I saw better my lot of the nation by say, will be a puno and
why?
Shadia. One more call, sir. One more confirm, madam, and one mother. And a lot to say so far, and a lot to say, Mamma, your bonnet, sir. O the mama mean you remember me mamma woman. And was I don't want to buy your judge, I'm a woman.
The pen of all mamma.
Where should I say? Lots of breath, and never because I say, what a lot of Kunumu or couple Kunum penny for. And never because I say, Krum hope for the suggestion for two names, say, your prefer, ye gay. After that, the Ghana, a binman to me and Yak could do it in some Akotum penny for himself. Yam on my crama or ban or ban on the bearman, the bearman. And a lot no more cat, I be at the bonnet. I did read. And I'm on yes, sir. No, I'm to our board, and as I will cry, Unimu. And the way Okra Unimu woman or person favor woman to say. Say, Obia on the right. I don't know person take a decision, Moby. So be a Bama, no, so Bama and Uncle Bama, Ebuno, Tumu, and Krana Gumwa. I don't know your president, and now we are soft now. What happened? I was him. A 20-year-old. Ghana, a man penny for the man penny for the baby,
more than 5,000, not by book. So 5,000 give for one.
I saw for the break him on your mamma. One more junior pastor to talk.
More how crown. Boss affair.
Ya for be 12 on them crana, sir. I thought them were on it. Papa penny on them crana over pampers. But we told us to sleep here now because of our own corner. The same thing now, Koso. Yeah, brace no. As will be a person yet your pen because some don't want to perform a lot. Giant and your pen. And now be a person control you. Okay. I'm going to catch a lot of your bay of bonnet crashing. That uncle about this young. Now, what's all better? My loss of the induction basket will be a prono. The person of my theatre, one more your majesty, Bible, prophecy, they pressed on him. Actually, your generation will say, one of the suggesting be back. Now we are penny 1 year to ma. Sure. They to me a demonstration. I would walk, course, I would. Ya buy a dear, my one or by dear to me.
We see a how.
It's your fair dear. Above on the other, sir. Now, Madame, I'm not one such a lot about one time where Danimu or Tupunumu. The only thing about for you is they took hold of Lot. I don't want to change by inside, no more lock open.
Okay.
Abusia for Mamma Casamitra. Your generation way. Say, I mean, be protective. You will mingle yourself with the son of the world.
Okay.
And then you make Bambo the be protector. Say, I mean, I'm being a bad boss. We are dying. Amaya is a say, can you pass over who are bathroom pan and a day?
And you come on.
She kept out the Kakuchiani about bedo. Is he a boo? I was a boy, una meduma, woman cry, woman say, woman so kid that woman and I'm home.
Madi, bro.
Wamama did ya come on. And no do one more nutter. Or say, I hear you at the other, or for Jimmy or the one I have picture.
Should be
the woman said they took hold of him. Almost no much chin by inside. And I want more open
93.7.
Your time, Asen. Kakan Pata Mechanic say, if you continue reading, Uba say, the course will law, a course of law to Bresson, your brace is the same.
If you answer, son.
You never had to say that you're a lot in Nemuno. The same thing. And a bayer, no more, my men can't one verse when I'm in fact, Mano, in I say, now, verse 14, now, Lord, to Fred, the name and cinema, whatever, and the map, Madam, the mamma, no cocasa, say, Monson in free her. The rather rebel say, could now, so I ain't seen any to say, Ubia already so. Ebra above on a catcher lot to say, your bad say, Cree, and into so wouldn't Obiwa ha, on pet or best, your best and I can't cream one. Cobana man, yes, on free cream. Now, a rather bad the toja. The person of my say, from Genesis chapter 1. About the Genesis chapter 5 ending, Genesis chapter 6 ending, Nanyanku Ponton, you that. The only time I am to say Genesis chapter 2, I use a bush in the Bapa. And so Banana mean to be that. Historically proven, none I mean to that. Send so to be that. Therefore, Noah, I can't say so bad that tunnel. Not and Crawford, no matter how go your more. Sodom and Gomorrah for so now move me say Jack. Say be a Yamia Munasoro or Ta or Toja. No move will be that. It's a blood loss to say, and Yami the Jab Bible say, could the Bible say? Now I'm a car say, I've broken the Lord. You know, Sana ya bresi etie. Ya preach say yes we buy yes but obi say maka ya chapao. Obi say oh na say yes do yes o nyama. It seems like also who be that. Some be we as who say osuro bie. Am obiti ponko say frimurunkumu pie. That billions of people did not achieve. Our cross kind. All pass our Bible. Who be that? That is why I value 2.5 billion car at our crack.
Okay.
That is why we value a dime. That is why I saw for my bar. Me obi nim a yamo. Nyamin country so for be a say. Kofa dia womb to me a ye. Now so because of nyama mo jesu wani so ye mo amo ho na makona mo penti. Mo hwe sika mo gene won safoma no ho. Se se ase mate so oil no kra se se mo ton bi 20 million. Na ama we die. I politicians in no me one because politicians na wo mo better voter. Wo mo ko sa so for we insure ben. And wo mo ko kasa kinti wo mo tumi nka. Na so man ya tumi campaign for no juro man no ho a. Kasofo oto oil back 20 million. Onya kromfo nche obi a ya temi say de ni tumu ansawem. Sadi bo onya kromfo. Oil ya doctor de bi ameka. Doctor no no nyo sofo. Ekra di nipa hu tumi ton oil ma nipa 10 Ghana cedis. Ade ye bi a time. Oka ko so aya na no ode. So oil back 10 million. Common oil
2,000
Ghana ha yetumi use electricity sa bosome ni yetua bia 1 million so put me gina faako etumi gini pa baako ba ye 20 million per one oil
faribla
ebia banko ti your generation no there it is corrupt the person no more say any moment from now the trumpet can sound. Any moment from now the lamp of God can appear. Any moment from now the world can crash.